Hey guys, so today I'm just doing a quick packing video for my Commodore BFF. Um, Summer is right around the corner, so I thought that the nautical prints would pair perfectly with um, the upcoming season. So this is how I have it packed right now. This is for me and my 17-month-old. Just a normal trip out to the mall and to the park after just a regular day. So we'll start on the outside here. Right now I have the messenger strap on, and on this bottle pocket I just have my sunglasses. Other side I have my Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. And then in this bottle pocket I have a package of the, this is the Target brand hand and face wipes. I just saw this the other day, so I decided to try it out. I usually use the Johnson's, but I just figured I'd give it a whirl. It doesn't smell as good as the Johnson's. It doesn't really have a smell at all, so but it does work, you know, for wiping out sticky fingers and faces, so that's what we're trying. In the back here, the change pad pocket, I have a booty pod cover and booty pod filled with Clorox wipes. I go through a lot of, well actually they're the wet ones. I go through a lot of those, and I find that the packaging, the way it's designed, it leaks a lot. So if I have even if I have it sealed and closed, if I have a package of wet ones in here and I have like you know, a piece of paper from the doctor or something, it will end up being soaked just from the moisture that's being out of it. So I just buy a couple packages of those wet ones and put it in a booty pod, and that's how I use it now, and then I don't have any problems with it leaking in my bag. So that's my wet ones. And then I have a teething toy here. And this I got from a friend on Facebook that makes these. It's all tangled right now, but my son loves this. He used to be stuck on his Sophie giraffe, but now he loves this necklace, and I love it because then I can attach it to my Lilla baby carrier or the stroller, and he can't fling it and lose it. And then I also have a little skateboard toy for him. And then I have my keys, and then I have this cute little pouch, custom pouch, the Sea and Admiral print, and in here I just have some hair ties and some Altoids. That's all I have. Oh, and I also have a Baby Ganix hand sanitizer. Okay, so going to the front, this is my fob from Andrea. I love it. I do switch up my fob. Sometimes I hang it here, sometimes I hang it on this elastic part here. I just felt like hanging it there today because it's so pretty. It goes so well with my nautical. So in the mommy pocket here, let's see, I don't have much. I just have my Vera Bradley Turnlock wallet. I love this style of wallet because I can fit my iPhone 6 Plus in this zipper part. So if I'm just running out to a quick errand or just running in and out of the store, I can just throw my phone in here and just take this. And then I have my package of tissues. I have a receipt here. I have my Sea coin purse, which I think goes perfectly with the Admiral print, and this just has coins. I don't have my sunglasses in here. I keep them in my car. And then this, hooked onto the key fob, I just have a Wonder Woman keychain from my husband, and pepper spray, which I've never had to use, but he always has me make sure I carry that. Okay, so in here, let me move this out of the way. In this tech pocket here, Of course, it's too small for my iPhone, so I just keep my EOS. And then I have a pen and a rollerball perfume. That's all I have in that pocket. Going into the main compartment, I do want to thank the pink ladies in the chat room because they really have lent their inspiration to what prints match and coordinate. And so I never thought of this, but I found this on one of a picture on one of the posts for the dandelions pairing with the Admiral, and it is gorgeous together. I never would think of it, but it goes really well, and I love it. So in these photo pockets, I just have a coin purse with my insurance cards, and then I have boogie wipes on the side, and then this is how I have it packed up inside. I like to put my medium set pieces on the side pockets because it gives a little more structure to the bag when I am carrying it. So when I am carrying it, it pulls on these two D-ring sides, and if they're not full, it kind of slouches. And I don't like that for some reason, but when I do have these medium set pieces, it kind of holds the structure of the bag better when I'm carrying it. And it does, you know, take up space here. I'm not able to put as much. It's a more snug fit to put a sippy cup on the side, but when I am out with my son, I do bring a fuel cell with his sippy cup and his snacks in it separately. So I usually don't have a sippy cup in the side anyway. So anyways, this is how I have it inside. This quick here, it's in the Admiral print. This is my diapering quick. And it's the usual. I have a booty pod. I'll have a light change pad. I have 3 size 6 diapers. I have powder. I have a change of clothes for him, and then somewhere on the bottom, oh, here we go. I can grab it out for you. I have this healer tin from Posh. I usually used to carry a healer stick, but when they came out with the tin, I grabbed this up because it's really convenient. I love this for diaper rash. It's perfect, and it's all natural ingredients. So love that. Now here I have my Huggies Touch and Clean extra wipes. As we all know, when you have a toddler, you always need wipes. And on the very bottom, I just have an Aiden and an I blanket. My son is starting to wean. He doesn't really want to nurse or tend to want to nurse when we're out and he's busy playing. So I still carry it just in case, but I just have it on the bottom now in case he does. The zipper pocket here, I just have a coin purse in the Hello Kitty TikTok print. This is my 6-year-old daughter's allowance money when we go shopping. And then I just have a bunch of these wet one packets in here. Okay, this side pocket here is Dandelion's medium set piece, and this is my mommy needs. I just have the usual, my compact, some lip gloss, in this small set piece in the black magic print. I have some smaller things in here that I like to keep separate so it doesn't get lost. I have my earbuds and spare contact lenses somewhere in here. I have a pocket mirror and my lip gloss. Okay, the other side, that piece, this is in the Admiral print, and this is our med kit. So, just the usual med kit stuff. I have gauze, fever's cloths, nail clippers, my son's inhaler, my older son. I have a pill box, I have a thermometer, Neosporin to go, I have smaller band-aids in this coin purse, and I think that's it. This back pocket here, I just have these refresh cloths where we are, and it's hot all year round, and These are nice just to cool off if you're out in the sun. And then here I have my Posh hand cream. Love that. This back zipper pocket, I have a small set piece in dandelions. And in here I have all my Posh sticks. Oh no, I don't. I have my iPhone battery pack and the cord. This pocket here I have my iconic small set piece. This has my Posh sticks in it. If I can get it open. Okay, here we go. I keep these with me all the time. I have my healer stick for sunburn, cuts and scrapes. This is really good. This one is the perk stick, and this is for headaches. It has some peppermint oil in there. It's really good. And then this one is the purifier stick. This is perfect for bug bites. It kind of soothes the itch, and it's also repellent as well. So that's all I have in my BFF. So that's all I fit. I'm sure I can probably fit more, maybe another medium set piece for snacks. But that's what I have for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and we'll see you again for more videos. Bye!